Hello friends, hi and welcome back to my channel. In part 2, let us see how we can prepare nutrition for plants at home. DIY for nutrition. All the kitchen waste, you can just collect it in one bag, put it in a pot, cover it with a soil. And this is a really good nutrition for your plants. You can also keep the onion peels in water overnight and then you can spray the same on the soil or on the foliage. Eggshells are again a very good source of nutrition for plants. Eggshells, you can just crush it down or powder them and mix it with the soil, and you can directly put the soil to the plants or you can keep it again for the month or two. Eggshells should not be given often to the plants because it takes time to get degraded. So eggshells can be given to the plants once in a 6 months. These are really good source of nutrition for the plants, and the plants grow well. One important tip here is never water your plants when they are in proper sunlight. We all know the process of photosynthesis where the plants actually prepare their food in presence of sunlight. Once the sunlight goes or after a few hours, you can water them. Also water the plants based on the pots that you have planted them in, because if the pot is small and you're watering it too much, probably the plant may not require that much water and it may die. So just sprinkling some water on it is enough for the day. Taking care of plants is taking care of them from the bugs. Not all the bugs, small insects, not all are beneficial for the plant and not all are really hazardous for the plants. So you need to spray some neem oil mixed with water, soap water, probably a very mild soap water, which can help to prevent these bugs on the plants. Next can be the ginger, garlic and chili paste mixed with water kept overnight for at least 24 hours can also be sprinkled on water to avoid this small insects or bugs. The yellow sticky pads which are available in market, they are also available on Amazon. They are also good trappers for the insects. If you paste it somewhere near the plant, the insects get stick to it and thus it helps. The last and important, it is a rainy season now, and how to take care of your plants in rainy season. Every plant, as we all know, has a hole at the bottom. I'll just show you one. See, they have holes at the bottom so that the excess water that is stored in this drains away. Not all plants need lot of water, especially if they are potted. If the plants are grown in the ground, in the soil, then probably they manage to drain themselves out. But if you're watering too much in a pot, probably the plant gets decayed. So to avoid that, ensure that you have good holes for your plant so they are not clogged. Means they have some stones at the bottom so that the water drains away and the plant grows well. Sometimes we use various plates which are kept below the pot to store the water. But if at all it is a rainy season or you have watered more to the plant, remove those plates and let the water drain out. Third is, if due to rain there is lot of watering, or you can move the water from the pots by tilting them regularly, as well as if you can change their place or keep them alternatively at different places, every plant will be watered equally. If some plants who do not require watering, like succulents, snake plants and all, or aloe vera, if they are exposed to lot of air or water due to rain, they may die. So to avoid that, remove such succulents, aloe vera or snake plants from the source of rain and keep it somewhere inside where it can be avoided. If some plants which cannot be moved from the balcony and are probably permanently kept at one place, then you can cover them with a slight paper or a thin cloth wherein they are safe from the harsh air or harsh water during the rain. And of course, if it is a rainy season and the due to rains there is lot of watering or the water is just sprinkling on the plants every day, then you can even skip watering the plants to keep them alive and healthy. So small tips about the home garden. If you are trying to make one, you can use all these tips and make the possible use of your space. Maximize your planting area by using the hangers. Use creepers as possible. In the beginning, you can plant those plants which do not require a lot of water or regular watering till you get into a cycle of watering the plants regularly. The plants which require less care should be taken in the beginning, and then slowly, as you understand the study behind it, as your observations grow, then you can go with the other plants so that you can take enough care of them and give yourself some time for regeneration as well. This was about gardening. I've shared with you some tips to maximize your area by using creepers and hanging plants. You can also use the indoor colorful plants. You can use the plants which require less care in the beginning, followed by the plants which require more care till you get into the cycle. I have also shared with you the various tips for making the nutrition for the plant, how to make the nutrition, and the monsoon care. I hope all this information is useful to you if you are thinking of having your home garden. If you have really enjoyed this video, do not forget to like the video. If at all you want to know anything more than this, you can feel free to connect to me, comment on my video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel if you have not done it, and stay tuned for some more information on my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.